The other things that can hurt your credit score, the number one thing up there is missed payments, right? So anybody remember like the payment history, like when it is factoring your credit score, how much of a percentage that is?
Like 35%, 30 cents.
Josh is on it.
Like this head.
All right, so that's the number one thing. Charge-offs, collections, settled accounts, repossessions, voluntary surrender, foreclosure, and bankruptcy. So, again, missing payments, right? Even if you just miss one payment, that can negatively impact your credit score for up to 7 years. One of the bad things about it is that people just let these things go. So if you miss a payment and it's actually not your fault, like Greg's situation, or I actually had a client where he missed a payment. It wasn't necessarily him, it was the payment processing, right? So he called the company, they said, you know what we'll do is we'll go back in and we'll record this as being paid on time instead of late, and his credit score went back up about 24 points as well. So